Welcome to Shutterfly How-Tos, quick tips to help you create with ease. In this video, we'll show you how to use autofill to create a photo book in just a few simple steps. Once your photos are uploaded, choose whether you'd like autofill to use all, most, or just your best photos. Next, choose how many photos to put on each page. Then, select how many stickers and embellishments you want to include. You can also add an optional title and subtitle for your book. When you're ready, just click Autofill My Book and we'll design your photo book layout in seconds. From there, flip through the pages or use Arrange Pages to review your book. You can edit as much as you'd like, or print it just as it is. You can also re-autofill at any time. Just keep in mind it will replace any edits you've already made. And that's it. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to create a photo book, autofill is a great place to start. For more tips, check out our other videos. Have fun and make something that means something.